Okay. Yes, Paramveer, can you tell me what we have done yesterday? Yes. Yes, we have. Okay, students, we have done 1 to 11 question answers. Yes. So today we will proceed to the next question, that is number 12. Avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment on this advice. You all have opened your books? Yes, show a thumbs up. Yes, okay, good. So plastic, how you can avoid plastic? Yes, plastic is harmful material or not?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it is a harmful material.
Yes, it is harmful, so we have to reduce its use. But how can we do that? Yes, so we have discussed already that plastic is non-biodegradable. Yes, so it takes so many years to get decomposed also. Yes, it cannot be decomposed easily by the action of bacteria or any other microbe. Yes, so, and it is not environment friendly. Okay, for example, when we burn plastic, yes, there is emission of so many harmful gases. Yes, that are harmful for many people who are suffering from respiratory diseases. Yes, if they inhale that gases, then it becomes difficult for them to breathe in that air or surrounding. Yes. So anyone can suggest me how can we avoid plastic? Any advice that you want to give?
Ma'am, we can use cloth bag instead of polythene bag.
Yes, we can use cloth bag, that is cotton or jute bags, instead of plastic bags. Okay. Yes, students.
Ma'am, we should buy products which have less packaging.
Yes. So we have discussed yesterday 4R principle. Yes. It is given as I think my book is of not of news edition. Therefore, it is 4R principle that is written on it. Okay. Just add a 5th R also. Yes, there it is. I think those who have new books, there is a 5R principle. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, refuse, reuse,
Yes.
recycle.
My book is of old edition, therefore there is only 4R principle. You can, the 5th R is refuse. Yes. So what is the meaning of refuse? That you can say no to plastic. Okay, if you are going for shopping, okay, and the person is giving you a plastic bag. Okay, for example, हम सब्जी वगैरह लेने के लिए जाते हैं तो वो हमें क्या देता है, वो पर्सन क्या देता है, हमें प्लास्टिक बैग में वेजिटेबल्स डाल के देता है. Yes, so what you can do, if you already have a jute bag or cotton bag, you can refuse a person. Okay, and you can say no to plastic. Yes, this is the addition that I want to do. Okay, so this is also another way to say no or avoid the plastic. Okay, as it is very harmful. Okay. Yes. Anyone can tell me what will happen if some animal if some animal eat plastic?
Ma'am.
Yes.
If some
Ma'am,
need take the
uh,
supply
can
can
choke
their
their
Which one?
respiratory
respiratory
system
system.
and the animal may eventually die.
One by one. One by one, bache. Yes. It will, but it will do.
The food pipe
Choke,
of
ma'am.
the
Ma'am,
animal
choke the
will
windpipe.
clog.
Ma'am,
It will choke the respiratory system of the animal and it will,
Yes.
then the animal will die.
Ma'am, it may die.
Yes, yes, yes. And it may cause death of that animal. Yes, good, very good. So, next coming to the 13th part, 13th question, that match the terms of a column A correctly with the phrases given in column B. Okay, only one student at a time will answer. Polyester, yes, you have to choose from the B column. Anyone?
Ma'am,
And
fabrics
used to
do
make non-stick
Please,
cookware.
please raise your hand first, then I will, only that student will answer. Yes, Jannat, please answer, bache.
Ma'am, fabrics do not wrinkle easily.
Yes, polyester is a fabrics that do not wrinkle easily. Very good. So first is D. Okay, you have to match the first with D. And next is Teflon. Yes, Sukhchan. Teflon.
Ma'am, she used to make non-stick cookware.
Yes, Teflon is used to make the non-stick cookwares. Okay, there is a coating on that cookware so the oil and water does not stick to the cookware. Yes, so answer of second is C. Okay, now next is rayon. Yes, Nishka, please bache.
Prepared by using wood pulp.
Yes, it is a semi-synthetic material that we prepare from wood pulp. Very good. Now next is nylon.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Mahib.
Ma'am, nylon used for making parachutes and stockings.
Yes, it is used for making parachutes and stockings. Very good. So third is, answer of third is A part and fourth is B. Very good. So next coming to the next question is, manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forest. Comment that we synthesize the synthetic fibers from factories. It is helping in conserving the forest. Yes. So can someone tell me how it is conserving the forest? How the synthetic material is conserving? Yes, raise your hand. Arush, yes, bache. You know the answer? Please give answer if you know.
मैम वो मैं पहले वाले के लिए खड़ा था मैम आंसर.
Okay. Any another student?
May I tell?
Sukhchan?
मैं the following के लिए था.
Okay, please lower your hand.
मैं बताऊं?
Ma'am, may I?
मैं
Arush?
मैम yes.
Yes. How it is helping?
Ma'am, synthetic fibers are actually helping in conservation of forest because they are not made using any pulp or wood from any wood from the forest.
Yes. So, what in
Ma'am,
the
they
natural?
are man-made.
Yes, very good. In the case of natural fibers, yes, the raw material that we use is derived from the plants. Yes, for which means we are cutting trees. Yes, but in the synthetic fibers, these are manufactured from petrochemicals. Yes, we have studied petrochemicals. So these are obtained from the petrochemicals. Yes, and also if we cut trees, there will be deforestation. Yes, so in the case of synthetic fibers, there is no cutting of trees. That means there is no deforestation. Yes. Another example is that, for example, in the case of semi-synthetic fibers, okay, we prepare nylon from the wood pulp. Yes, which is also in which cutting of trees is also required. Okay, so by using the synthetic materials, we are saving our forest. Yes. So it is useful for us to use synthetic fibers because these are helping in conservation of forest. Clear to all? Yes. Okay. Before proceeding to question number 15, there is a did you know point on 43 page number. Then we will proceed to the activity. Firstly, we will read this did you know point. Okay. On page number 43, it is given. Okay, I am reading this. The nylon appears like silk. Okay, you all know that nylon is, yes, it is very strong and flexible. That therefore we are using it for making parachutes and the ropes of rock climbing. Yes, but the qualities of nylon when it is discovered, when it is introduced in 1939, okay, but it became a public sensation. Okay, so that means the people are liking it so much. Okay, women's stockings made from this new fiber were in great demand, but unfortunately most of the nylon production had to be diverted to making parachutes during the Second World War. Yes, but what happened during the Second World War, the nylon was mostly used in making parachutes. Yes, what happened after the war when the production of stocking resumed, supply did not match the demand because it was in high demand at that time. Okay, so what happened? There are so many riots that are happened that were called the nylon riots. Okay, मीन्स वो आपस में लड़ने झगड़ने लग गए थे वुमेन्स के क्योंकि इनसे वो क्या बनती थी स्टॉकिंग्स बनती थी. Okay, now it is clear to all. Yes, so the people were behaving like a noisy and violent. They get violent also, and the situation was uncontrolled at time. Okay, so you can see what a synthetic fiber had done. Okay, so next coming to the activity, 15th question, describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Okay, that we have to show that it is a poor conductor. Yes, so what is the aim of activity? It is to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Yes, what are the things that you require for doing the activity is a bulb, battery, connected wires. Yes, there are two materials that we use, is metal or any type of metal or a plastic material. Yes, these are the material required for this activity. Yes, now we will proceed to the procedure. Okay, so what is the procedure? That you have to connect the bulb with the battery. Okay, yes, with the help of connected wires. Yes, so you have to make a proper circuit. Yes, so what I am doing, there is a plastic that I am using. Okay, so what I am going to do, I will insert this plastic. Okay, and then you are saying you are able to see it. Yes, when I have used this plastic, then the bulb does not glow. Yes, so what is the conclusion? That thermoplastic is poor conductor of electricity. In the same way, if I am using a metal, okay, so what will happen? The bulb will glow. Yes, so when we are using the plastic, then it does not glow. Yes, but when we are using a nail, I have used a nail that is made from metal, so the bulb will start glowing. Okay, so we can, what is the result that we obtain from this? That when the thermoplastic material is replaced with any metal rod or any type of metal product, then in the circuit, then what will happen? Then the bulb starts glowing. Yes, this shows that the thermoplastic or any plastic material you can use, it is a poor conductor of electricity. Okay, what are the precautions that you have to take care during this activity? That you have connected all the wires in a proper manner. Okay, and the circuit should not be so loosed. Okay, yes, and the wire should be attached properly. Okay, before doing this activity, please check that the bulb is not fused. Yes, and it is working properly. I have not used any switch because this this metal is performing the purpose. It is serving the purpose of switch as well. Okay, so there is no need to on or off the circuit. Okay. Yes, this activity is done now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes. If we talk about its circuit, how you can read it? There is any thermoplastic material or metal rod. Yes. Firstly, we are taking the metal rod. Just 1 minute. Yes. It is a metal rod that we have taken. Yes. And we also need a battery. Yes. And I have not used any key. Okay. But you can use. And it is the bulb. When the key is closed, it is key. Yes, it is battery. Yes. So the bulb start. Okay. Yes. So similarly, if we draw it for thermoplastic material, it is a thermoplastic plastic, any material, any type of plastic, okay, and it is battery, and it is key that is closed. Okay, if the key is open, then obviously the current will not pass. Okay, for open we use this symbol, open key, and if it is closed, then we use this symbol. Okay, so the key is closed and the bulb does not glow in this case. Here the bulb glows. Yes, it is thermoplastic, any material. Thermoplastic material. Okay, and it is battery and bulb. In this case, the bulb does not glow. Yes. Now it is clear to all. Yes, it is open key. It is a sign for open key, and it is a sign for closed key. Yes, it is a circuit diagram. Okay.